Try to get yourself free from religion. Try to reduce and lessen religious activities in your life. And try to be less religion and to be more committed to discovering for yourself intimacy with God. Try to replace your religiosity with virtues of personal walk with God. Try to replace, all the religious activities, running up and down, doing what everybody is saying, and, to personal growth, personal change, personal increase, personal relationship, and personal love for the Master. And, doing things just more on one-on-one basis with God. Learning, studying, growing, looking for principles, virtues that will help you to become bigger from inside.